Excella is a compact and stylish water purifier that is available in RO plus UV and RO plus UV plus UF variant. The RO plus UV plus UF variant offers triple layered protection. To ensure that the water you drink is safe and pure, it has a 7-stage purification process. Excella comes with a 6 liters large storage tank. It also comes with an aqua taste booster. It has a high purification capacity. Excella comes with a copper and silver impregnated activated carbon, along with a superfine sediment filter. Excella is equipped with purification on, power on, and tank full indicators. Excella, the perfect blend of elegance and purity.
Hey there.
Blue Star Water Purifiers. Purity